Hi, I am Dibrata Datta, a Kolkata-based street photographer and a media student. I admire the most about street photography is the action, the unpredictable moments in the streets. The golden light in the morning or in the afternoon push me to shoot on the streets daily. See, there is no person or a thing that inspires me, but there is a process that inspires me a lot. I see my father daily, that he is going to his office every day and doing the same work for years. So that this process, মানে এই প্রসেসটাই আমার ইন্সপায়ার করে বেশি। During street photography, I try not to engage with the people. This keeps the thing candid. After taking the shots, I interact with them so that they feel secure and comfortable. So basically there are two places. First one is Shantipur because of its color, its pattern, its geometry. It is a dye type of small industry where people basically color clothes. And the second one is Maidan. Being a Kolkata-based street photographer, Maidan is the must-visit place in winter. A big blanket of fog covers the whole area of Maidan. The golden light in the morning with the various types of action like playing cricket, some are playing football, some are doing exercises. This pushed me to shoot Maidan in every winter. Every time I visit these two places, I found something new, something different. In my opinion, a street photographer tells everyday stories that people tend to miss out normally. So many things happens in front of people, but many things remain unnoticed. That's the biggest difference which make street photography stand out among the other genre. Now also I am an amateur and I am doing photography for last 2 years only. I would like to advise nothing to my amateur self, as everything I went through has made me who I am now. Editing is not that important to me in street photography. Max to max, I crop the picture or play with shadows, highlights and contrast. I have no perfect shot till now, but I have two of my favorite photographs. First one is this. The lighting was striking frequently and a boy was coming towards me with a rainbow umbrella. Maybe the luck was with me that day and I got this picture, which was one of my recent favorite. And the second one is this. This is taken in Canning. Here the layers, the silhouettes and especially the boy who is running in the bottom left attract me a lot. This diagonally moving picture secures a lot of space in my heart. Street photography taught me to be punctual because if you are not in time, you can miss the frame you need or you can miss the light you need. Second one is to be patient. I visited this place for 4 days on the same location for only this frame. So if you have patience, you will get what you need. Third one is perspective. Your perspectives have to be different from others. Like when we go to photo walks, there are hundreds of photographers, but we get different pictures of the same location. Why? Because everybody has their own perspective. So make your perspective different so that you stand out. My technique on the street is that I prefer being comfortable with my subjects. I always try to make them feel comfortable. I always try to make them feel that I am not doing any harm to them. If they feel uncomfortable, then just leave.